Trop tard, je suis trop loin pour toi. La plus bonne de mes copines, à mes copines, à mes copines. La plus bonne de mes copines, à mes copines, à mes copines. Je veux te bombarder, bombarder.
Salam sejahtera. Okay, our groups, which have 6 members, have decided to choose a washing machine which is from brand Sharp as our product. So for the next slide, we'll show about an introduction for this washing machine as more details.
Hi, my name is Nora Mizarina anak perempuan Muhammad Maham, and I will talk about the definition of a washing machine. A washing machine is a machine that washes the dirty clothes. It contains a barrel into which the clothes are placed. The barrel is filled with water and then rotated very quickly to make the water remove dirt from the clothes. Next, I will talk about the function of full auto electric washing machine from Sharp. It has AG iron pulsator that sterilizes clothes and deodorizes the bad smell from the clothes. It also has the bubble generator that generates a great deal of air bubbles that knock the dirt out of the clothes during wash, and they push up the heavy dirt to remove it during rinse. And the last one is the double washing method, that using both air bubble and water current is applied to this washer. Wash efficiency is excellent in comparison with the original washer system. And the purpose of this washing machine, such as huge time saver over hand washing, eliminates the effort needed to wash clothes, energy efficient and easy to operate. Next, I will move to the background of Sharp electric washing machine. It's all start from Japanese Sharp company offers a range appliances of Sharp brand to UK company. Not long from that, Sharp washing machine appear to be currently limited to top loading models sold only in Asia. Also, Sharp company announced to build a new plant to make appliances, specifically washing machine and refrigeration, in Malaysia during 2013.
Okay, hello, my name is Jacqueline Janai. Okay, for my part, I would like to say about a specification about this washing machine. Okay, as we know, before we buy or buy product, okay, we see what kind of the specification, because we went to using this a long time. So actually I can't remember what kind of specification of this washing machine, so may I to see the specification of washing machine, because I am not pro about this washing machine, so I can say wrongly about this specification because this is not my part of my job. Okay, first of all, the model number for this washing machine is ESD1590 SL. The power source is 2220 volt, which is 50 Hz. So I think this kind of the power source is really save energy, so don't think about how many energy that using by this washing machine. And then the power consumption is 550 watt, and the emission for this is 630 times 2040 times 700, which I think this washing machine is quite big and it is really comfortable for those who have a big family. And then the unit weight for this is 48 kilos. So I think many clothes we can washing at this washing machine. And then standard water consumption is 240 liter. The operating water pressure is 0.33 GF per centimeter meter. Wash mode washing type is air bubble. edgy and elbow setter. That's all for me about the specification of washing machine. Okay, that's all for my slide. We show a more detail about this washing machine because I just say a specific specification only. That's all for me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera. My name is Nurul Dalila binti Samdin and my magic number is D0520101008. So today I will talk about my part, which is the required tools and equipment in the washing machine. As we know, there are a few parts and features that we use in the washing machine. Firstly is gas detergent and softener. Basically, this part will work as a place to pour the detergent and softener into the washing machine. Secondly is control panel. The control panel for washing machine integrate electronic, touch sensor and backlighting in one less than 3mm thin multi-skin film laminate. Next is power cord. Power cord connects an appliance to the main electricity supply through a wall socket or extension socket. Other than that is hose string. All the dirty water from the washing machine is expelled from the machine through the drain pipe. The drain hose loop to the top of the machine and then down to the drain, enabling the tap to fill. When the water reaches the bend in the hose, it will go out of the drain. Next is adjustable leg. We can adjust each leg to the proper height and then tighten the lock nut up against the body of the machine to keep the leg height from changing. After adjusting each leg, lean against the machine and make sure that you feel no movement from the washing machine. Lastly is LED lamp. Washing machine is characterized in that set of ultraviolet LED lamps are mounted on the bottom surface of a bucket cover plate of the washing machine. An independent button is also arranged on a control panel on the washing machine and used for controlling the ultraviolet LED lamps to be turned on or off. When the ultraviolet LED lamps are turned on and clothes to be washed are in the washing machine, the clothes also can be sterilized.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good morning. My name is Fatin Nur Syafiqah binti Syamsuddin, matrix number D0520101049. I will continue the presentation for the hazard of washing machine. First of all, the hazard is do not add flammable fluids into your washing machine. This substance gives off vapor that can create a fire hazard or explosion. The flammable fluids like dry cleaning solvent, kerosene and gasoline should not be used or near your washing machine. Secondly, the supply cord is damaged. When the supply cord is damaged, there is a high probability of a short circuit and will be dangerous for us. Next, the main motor or motor capacitor malfunctions and ignites a fire inside the washing machine. So, the washing machine will be easily damaged and will need to be repaired at high cost. After that, when dry pump become blocked and result in the washing machine overheats. So, we need always clean the dry pump and for more efficient washing. And always remember, don't do laundry without checking your pocket. Change and other loose objects that find their way into the drain pump will decrease the lifespan of your washing machine. Next, leaking hot spray water that short circuits and wiring. Water will overflow and will damage the washing machine. So, we need always check the hose so as not to cause injury to anyone. For examples, injuries such as slipping due to water overflow on the floor. Then lastly, the washing machine was not properly grounded when it was installed. The washing machine is not durable due to excess overloads when operating. At the same time, overload will cause the clothes not to be washed cleanly and perfectly. That's it, needs to be rewashed and was stage acute.
I will discuss about the steps to operate this washing machine. Before washing, you should prepare your clothes. You need to ensure that all pockets are empty and turn them inside out. Second, close the zippers, snaps, and hooks to avoid snagging other items. You should turn down cuffs and turn synthetic up to avoid peeling. During sorting process, you should separate heavily soiled items from lightly soiled ones, even if they would normally be washed together. Also, you need to separate the dark color cloth from light color cloths and color fast items from non-color fast items to prevent light color cloths from being tinted. After sorting your clothes, you can lock them into the washing machine. Please drop the item into washer loosely, so those items are able to move easily through wash water for best cleaning and recovery results. In addition, load washer properly and select correct load size setting. This is because overloading and selecting a setting too small for the wash load can bring to poor cleaning, increase wrinkling, create excessive link, and wear out items faster because of peeling. Other from that, you should reduce wash time when using a small lot size setting. Lots with only a few small items need less wash time. There are 6 general procedures for operating this washing machine. First, add measure detergent into the detergent case. Second, there are some optional steps. For example, you can pour liquid fabric softener into the dispenser using the amount recommended on the package. However, you should avoid dripping and spilling any fabric softener into the lot. Then, dilute fabric softener with warm water. Fill dispenser with warm water until liquid reaches the baseline in the case. The dispenser is for liquid fabric softener use only. Then the liquid fabric softener will be put into the tub automatically when final rinse process. Third, close the washer lid or the door. Fourth, you need to press the power button. And then, you may select the circle by turning the program dial in clockwise direction. There are 6 fully automatic cost selection. For instance, auto cost is for general washing except extraordinary clothes. Next, baby care cost for washing baby clothes. Other than that, quick cost is for the less dirty clothes. This selection is useful to reduce water consumption and washing time. Also, tub clean cost is provided to execute tub cleaning once a month to clean the tub. Fifth, the blanket cost for washing heavy loads such as blanket, curtain, and carpet. The last selection is wool cost. Do not put leather clothes or shamwas clothes into the washing tub for washing because it may cause shrinkage and deformation to the clothes. After choosing the suitable course, you can press the start or pause button. The washing machine will start to work now.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and very good morning to Sir Takim. Firstly, I will introduce myself. My name is Nurain binti Muhammad Isa. My matrix number is D0520101122. Today, I will present about the product description. The product that we had choose is the washing machine. And the part that I will present is the conclusion. I will explain how the parts of the mechanism work together to make the whole item function. The part that I will present is the control panel. The control panel had 10 buttons that we should know to make the whole item function. The first one is the power button. It means that it can switch on or off the washing machine as we press the power buttons. The second one, we had the start/pause button. This button is the operation and temporary stop as we press it. And if you want to change the course of the washing machine, we can press the button and change the course that we want. Then press the button again and we start the operation. The third one, we had the course button. The course button it can be used to select the full automatic course, and it can be also changed the type of that we want. The fourth one, we had the soak button. This selection is effectively used for the thick layer of clothes like blankets and blue jeans. And the washing time, the rinse time, the spin times are selected automatically, depends on the amount of the laundry. The fifth one, we had the water level button. The water level button is used to select the desired amount of the water depending on the amount of the laundry that we had put in the washing machine. The sixth one, we had the wash button. It used to adjusting the washing times. The seventh one, we had the rinse button. The rinse button is used to change the number of the rinse, and as we press the buttons, the rinse operation can be repeated again. The eighth one, we had the spin button. The spin button is used to change the number of the spins, and as we press the button and it can be repeated again. The ninth one, we had the rest button. The rest button is used for the reservation. As we press the buttons, the number 2 is displayed, and we can make a reserve from 2 to 48 hours in advance. The last one, we had the wind dry button. This button is used to adjust the wind drying time after spins, and as the button is pressed, the wind drying time will be repeated as following.